This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in the city of Richmond. More specifically, I'm in Church Hill. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. This home is located here in a convenient Church Hill block. We are actually walking distance to a lot of infrastructure. We've got cafes, grocery store, retail, all within walking distance, and that's not extremely easy to do in Central Virginia. So we have a prime location if you are the type of person that just likes to walk or hop on a bike and don't necessarily like to hop in the car all the time. One of the interesting things about this location is we have so much new construction going on here. As we speak, we've got contractors working on that house. This property here is mixed use, which means retail or some other commercial purpose on the first floor, and then typically residential or apartments on the second level. So that project is currently going on. Directly across here, this vacant lot, there are plans for mixed use development there, right there in the corner, which is 2 addresses away from our subject property today. One of the reasons I knew that this was currently a project that was in progress was our meters. Your meters are missing, and therefore there's no electricity going to this property right now because it is under renovation. So that combined with, we go right behind this structure and we actually have new construction going up as we speak. We of course have a foundation going in, and on the other side are 2 brand new homes. And of course, when they build these, they keep the historical flavor, the styling you can see is what you would typically see back when these homes were originally built, 1900, 1910, 1920. So they did a beautiful job here. These are occupied and just turned out very nice. If we look straight ahead, we also can tell a lot of renovation has taken place here directly ahead, and then to the left, all of these are either new construction or major rehabs, and they just look amazing. Our subject property is directly ahead. It actually has an outbuilding, which is the pink building, and then the main building is up facing the street. And it was funny, I was looking a little earlier, and we've got the workers there. For a construction project, there's a whole lot of sleeping going on. I don't know, I've been here about 20 minutes and I've seen a lot more sleeping than I have actual construction, but that's none of my business, and I am not a Karen. Okay, here on this corner lot, we can see through the lot, and we actually have a privacy fence and a gate there as well. One of the things I like about this location is we don't have a lot of density as far as parking. While we do have some multifamily here, it's not as tough to park here. You also have this side street, which is nice. There are some parts of Richmond where parking is really tough all the time, and Church Hill, fortunately, is not known for that. So, great location. This is going to be a higher level rehab than I typically see in Metro Richmond. So they did some really nice touches, and I think you will be impressed as well. The home today is situated on 3 levels, and we have 2 bedrooms down and 2 bedrooms up. Our downstairs level, we actually have a staircase going down, and then we have a door right there, but our main entry is going to be here up the stairs. We have a nice balcony in place. Great place to sit out and enjoy the morning or evening air. Special thanks to listing agent Chris Maka, who was kind enough to allow us to come in and take a look at his beautiful listing. Okay, first thing, look at this. This hardware just screams quality here. Nice brass look, nice and beefy. As we come in, one of the first things I notice is the beautiful wood floors. They look absolutely amazing, not only on this level, but also on our second level as well. The second thing I noticed was, look at that detail in the ceiling. We of course have recessed lights. That just really makes a statement as soon as you hit the front door. This home does have a nice complement of fireplaces. We've got some exposed brick, and really keeping with the period, they were able to save those fireplaces, and they just really look good. Okay, here to the right, of course, our stairs going up, stairs going down, beautiful chair rail and some additional detail. They paid special attention in this home to the lighting. You're not going to see any builder grade, boring lighting fixtures. As you can see, we've got some really interesting lighting choices. One of the things that they did as well was they featured some of the other properties that are nearby. And that's kind of unique. Of course, if someone wants to live in the city, they are the type of buyer that wants location. They love being in an urban environment and being able to walk, as I mentioned earlier, to some of the amenities that are nearby. Okay, we are going to take a look here in our kitchen. But before we do that, we have a powder room. And this is really neat. They went with black, and we've got some really interesting hardware and fixtures. I love it because it's not just a plain Jane as far as the decor and the finishes. We have a pantry here. Love the sliding door that we have, and some good additional space there for food storage. Directly to my rear is our island, and we've got space here for about 6 bar stools. Love the unique color. It is topped with a quartz countertop, and look at this complement of cabinets, ladies and gentlemen. We have cabinets going all the way to the ceiling. Our stainless steel appliances do convey. They actually ran the backsplash from the quartz on the countertop. So you've got a nice backsplash, really beautifully laid out kitchen. We do have a range hood here, and this is of course is custom work. They enclosed it, and you know you're doing pretty good in life when you get a home with a pot filler. Not a feature that we see all the time. Definitely something reserved for our higher end homes. 6 burner gas range. Look at this. This is a commercial style stove. Great looking appliance. On the other side, we have our microwave and additional storage. Here to my rear, it's going to be a nice deep stainless sink, farmhouse sink, and of course looking back over the backyard. Another really good looking fixture in place as well. All right, I love what they did here. This is just an amazing kitchen. And I'm going to, oh, I forgot, we've got a wine rack here. So you can store your spirits right there. And let's go take a look here in the back. Here in the door, this is a feature. You can actually close the blinds there. You don't have to worry about them getting beat up. It offers good privacy and just a really convenient feature. Here on the rear, we do have a deck. Great place to sit out. You can of course enjoy, look out over the backyard. I'm actually going to take you back down so you can get an idea of what our space looks like back here. Now, the key was not available to this auxiliary building, but I'm going to put some images up so you can get an idea. This is great space. Let's say you have a really independent 5-year-old. They've got a full-blown kitchen back here, so you could put him or her back here. They could do their own meal prep, whatever they needed to do, and just make it super convenient. Also, if you had an in-law or even an adult child that failed to launch, this would be a prime space for them. They would be out of your main dwelling area, but yet still have some place that they can call home. Okay, we are going to go back in. There is our door for our bottom level. And we're going to go back up to our main level. We've got a heat pump in place that provides heating and cooling for this home. And let's see what else we have in store. One thing I failed to mention, look at this hardware here. We've got the switches that have a really unique look. And I've seen that here throughout the home. They did some real interesting finishes that kind of set this home apart from many others in the marketplace. Okay, here on the ground level, we of course saw what we have on the front. You can of course enter through that door if desired. We have 2 bedrooms down here on this level. And once again, we've got the, this is actually going to be an LVP type material down here. It looks like wood. Closet here and a Jack and Jill bathroom. Look at this. This is not your typical Jack and Jill. We've got a nice long vanity that's probably about 6 feet or so. Beautiful brass hardware. Our tub shower area, that's going to be ceramic tile going all the way to the ceiling. And our throne is back here in the corner. We go on through to our second bedroom. That door, of course, leads us to the backyard. One of the things I love about a property like this is everything is new. We've got, of course, electrical, heating and air, all of your kitchen and bathroom furnishings are new. And so virtually like a new home. This, of course, is our Lennox heat pump here providing heat and cooling to the home. This is the second door to that utility closet. All right, let's go back upstairs and see what else we have in store. Okay, here on the second level, we're going to make a left and go back towards the street. We have a closet here for our washer dryer. That pan is for the washing machine. And you could do some additional storage overhead. Our front bedroom, once again, we've got that exposed brick for the fireplace, for the chimney. Nice big windows. These are going to be real wood floors. Great looking fixture. And they actually did an interesting wallpaper choice here for the ceiling. So some really interesting finishes. Unique light fixture here in the stairwell. We are now going straight back into our primary bedroom. And this is a grand bedroom indeed. Plenty of space here. If you wanted to come in with a king size bed, you wouldn't have any problem. Nice detail here on that accent wall and an interesting light fixture as well. We are now in our walk-in closet. Very nice space. And then we actually have a door here leading to our balcony. So if you wanted to pop out here and get some air, you could of course do so. Great view here from the rear. You can look out over Church Hill. So let's go back in and see what we have in store in our primary bathroom. You would never know that this house looked like this from the street. That's one of the things I love about these historic rehabs. You just have no idea what's behind the door. We have our water closet. Beautiful choice here on the floors. A nice tile with an interesting design. Here is a really interesting choice. This is a Bluetooth for our fan. Now, if I push this button here, this will give us changing lights. You can see the lights changing color. So you can change that. You can turn the fan on and off. There is also a music note here, which lets me believe that this is Bluetooth compatible. So if you got bored in the bathroom, you could of course listen to your favorite tunes and they would be played through your Bluetooth exhaust fan. Well, you gotta love technology, boy. They will think up some really interesting concepts here in today's market. Of course, we have the overhead shower head and the normal shower head in place. Nice black and white tile shower. And then here to my right is going to be closet number 2. So no storage, no shortage of closet space here in this beautiful home. I love what they did here. And then we've got some laundry storage here as well. Beautiful, beautiful higher end rehab. They just never cease to amaze me what these rehabbers come in and do with these awesome historic properties. If you have questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be an honor for me to help. I can reach on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.